Hey guys, another great video for you guys today. I just got these floor mats in. They're from Joytutus on Amazon. I really like these. Kind of similar to the Odero ones I did. See, they have the retainer clips here. It's a nice rubberized fill. They're 3D scanned, so they're all molded. What I like the most is it covers the hump. Now I just took these out of the package, so they haven't had a chance to kind of go back to the normal shape, but check these out. Even has these little ribs on the back, so that'll really stick to the hump, which I like. I haven't found any that cover the hump yet, other than like I think WeatherTech and stuff. So for the value of these, it's a great idea. And this will come out right here. You just leave it out in the sun for a couple days. But really excited about these things because it gives you maximum coverage. I actually want to use the back piece for sure, because I noticed the hump gets pretty dirty. If you look right here, they're not branded either. So you custom guys out there, you could get some little badges put on there, your custom logo, whatever you want, make them a little custom, but really like these. So let me go ahead and put them in the car and show you guys what they look like. Okay guys, so here they are in the car. Really like the fit of these things. They have a custom fit, and they'll go over the hump here, and they have that texture. And if you see this right here, this will all flatten out if you leave it in the sun. They've been rolled up, so this is what you get with any mat, but rest assured when you put it in the sun, all this will straighten out like all the mats. But look at these things, looks really good. Fit perfectly around the corners here. And there's more coverage on the side too than the OEM Honda ones too, which I like. It's kind of reminding me of like the Husky mats. Really nice. Let me show you the front one here. Real nice again. Has better coverage. Doesn't slide. It has little nibs in the back, so it holds the carpet. Just overall better coverage, and there's no like crazy pattern. Very easy to clean with the way the texturing is. That's another thing. And here's the rear side, the rear passenger. See, I like this because it covers the hump, which I really like, because my kids ride back here and the hump would get so dirty and it's so hard to clean that carpet. It's just cheap carpet, so everything sticks to it. So it's a good way to protect it, guys. This won't break the bank, and they're great quality. And check the front here out. Goes way up. You get way more coverage up here. Perfect fit, and uses the OEM retainers too. Perfect here. Let me put the stock mat in. I'll show you the difference here so you can see. And this is just the OEM Honda all season floor mat. So you can see there's a huge difference. Covers all here. You won't get dirt trapped in below like you do with these things, which is really nice. And if you guys like the simple look, these mats don't have any logos on them. Again, they're on Amazon, Joytutus. I'll put a link in the description, guys. Definitely check them out. If you want a mat that doesn't scream at you with all these logos, these are very simple, as you can see, but they fit amazing. They'll definitely protect your car for if you have mud, whatever. If you live in the snow, drop a cup of coffee. Really nice. I would highly recommend these. I mean, this will hold a cup of coffee, where the Honda ones, it'll just let it fly all out. So if you really want a mat with purpose, this is it. And like I said, it won't break the bank. It's a little over $100, and should be a coupon code too. So hope that helps you guys. Thanks again. I'll catch you guys on the next one.